Welcome to our channel. So yesterday we have understood how to add the activities, how to copy and paste, and how to do this WBS. All these things we have learned. So today we will see some formatting and some important features we'll see. So first, let us start with the making milestones. So for any project, there will be milestones are available. Okay. So we will add the milestones. It's a major deliverable. Perfect. So here we'll add the insert activities. Right click here and click on the insert. So I will add, and for learning purpose we'll keep only 2 3 milestones. So you can add number of milestones how we want or how your customer is asking for the milestone. So we'll type it as milestones. Building number one. Okay. Completion of building number one. Okay. Completion of building number one. Alright, I'll put only building number. Type only building number one. This can be building number two. So now both milestone I'll push it to left side. So this will become my WBS, and under that the two milestones are created. So for this activity, what we'll do, we'll put duration as 0. This also will put duration as 0 because it is a milestone. So for this, what we'll give? We will give the link. So link is what? Building number one. Building number one ID is 17. So here I'll write 17. Okay. Next, building number two. Building number two is 45. Okay. So I'll write that 45 building. So the last date is appearing here. So since it's a milestone, we have kept as 0. We have put the duration as 0, and we have given the link of that particular building, right? So the date you can see 17/5. Here the link is 17/5, the same date. So now what we have to do, we have to mark this as a milestone. Click here and mark as a milestone. Then you can double click. This task information will appear here, dialog box, or you can click here also. Here also it is available in the menu. In the menu bar, toolbar, you can see the information. So you can click here also. So both the same dialog box will open. Once again, I am closing it and I am double clicking. Okay. Now you go to advanced. There are so many tabs are there. Earlier we have learned what all tabs is available. We'll go to advanced. Click on advanced. Okay. So by default it has marked as a milestone. Okay. So because we are given the link here, so by default it took as a milestone. Otherwise we have to click and we have to select it as a milestone. So in the same way, you check the second activity also. Double click here. So this also marked as a milestone. So you can see other activities are not milestones. It is not marked. Only these two activities, it is marked as a milestone. So you can check another way. You can just right click. You can just move your cursor on the top and right click, insert column, and here you type milestone. Okay. So now you can see which are all the activities are milestone which are not milestone. So now these two activities became milestone. We have made these two activities as a milestone. Does have no. So this is required because while generating report, this will be helpful to generate milestone. So I'll hide again this column. So now we'll see one option, split. So if you come to your toolbar, you can see there is a split task, right? So click on this, any activity you want to split it. So for any reason, the activity will start, but there will be a halt in between. Then again this activity will continue. So in that situation comes, then we'll split that activity. We'll click on this, see, bring your cursor on your Gantt chart, click here and drag it. You can see the gap is created. Now we have done the split of this activity. So this means this activity will work up to here, then there will be a halt, and then again activity will start. So we have split and moved this. So one more option we can see today. I'll just remove this link. Okay. And just remove this any other activity. Okay. So this activity I'll remove any activity. I'll just remove the link. Okay. So here is the option called link. Link the selected task. So this way also we can link this selected task. What we have to do? We have to select both the tasks which we have to link. Here ID number 25, we are linking with ID number 24. Select both the tasks. Click here first task and press shift and arrow down button. Shift and arrow down button. Now selected both the tasks and just click on the link. Click, it is selected. The only thing that by default it will take 24. So only number it is appearing means it is finished start. So if you want to change this predecessor, you want to put F, then click on F2, right, F plus 10. So you can do this way also you can link any. So same way we have the another option called unlink. So you can press directly delete, it will link will go, or you can use this also. If you click this, link will go. So both we can use this option, linking and unlinking. Now one more option is here, details. This is also one of the way where you can enter. If you click on this, one form will appear in the below. So here also we can enter the linking. Say suppose if you are coming to this activity, if you are clicking on this activity, you can see what is the link is given here. And if you want to do changes here also we can do it. Or if any blank activity is there, we can come here and we can click on this drop down menu and we can select which are all the link, link we have to give, that we can select it. And then we can type what type of link we have to give and lag if anything is required, we have to type it here. So this is also one of the way how we can enter the linking processes. Okay. So now we can see this Gantt chart is appearing in blue color and this miles WBS appearing in the black color. If you want to do any changes in the coloring format, if you are not liking this coloring format, You have to go to Gantt chart format. Hmm? Fill any other color. Yes. If not any other color, the color will change. Okay. And if you want to see the critical task, click on critical task. So now it will show you what are the critical tasks. It will show you in the red color. If you want, you can change the color also. So now it is showing what are the tasks are critical. You can see in the Gantt chart. So one activity we have seen excavation is the critical activity. Any other activities is critical. We can just check it here. Okay. So first building number one excavation is critical. See now building number two there are so many critical activities. Excavation and next PCC. So all these activities are critical. All the activities are critical in building number two. So now it is a critical path. This is a critical path. The first excavation of building number one, it is coming down and it is linking to excavation of building number two. So that is a critical now excavation and it's connecting to this one excavation of building number two. Then it's connected to PCC. Then it's connected to footing RCC. So like that, it is one activity, one after that, one activity is connected till completion of building number two. Building number two is up to sixth floor. It is connected. So all the activities up to sixth floor of building number two are critical. So the entire line we can say this is a critical path. So in this critical path, if any activity is got delayed, then the whole project will delay. So that is the meaning of that. So now you can see this task name is only name is available. So if you want any unique ID numbers, you can click on this outline number. If you click on this outline number, so its serial numbers will come automatically. This serial number will come. This may be helpful for identification of activities. So if you require, you can keep it the serial number, or otherwise you can remove this. Okay. So now let us see the setting of our Gantt chart timeline. So you can see here the two rows are there. You can see on the top it is mentioned as 12th April 27. You can see the movement of my cursor 12th April 27. Below that second row it is mentioned month, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday like this. So you can do the setting here. You can do the setting. You want to see it is on daily basis, or you want to see weekly basis. You want to see quarterly basis like that. You can do the change settings in this. Click right click here. Move your cursor onto this rows. Right click here. So in that select time scale. Time scale. So now we can see the tabs. Time scale tabs are available. Top tier, middle tier, bottom tier, and non-working time. So now first you have to choose you need how many tires. Tires means we can say rows. So here what we have seen, this is 12th April and again Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday like that we have seen. So this is one tire and this is one tire. Is one row, second row. So now you have to decide how many rows you want. Suppose you want 3 rows. Then come here, time scale option. You can see the time scale option. So in that, show, click in the button, drop down button. In that, select three tires or one tire, whatever you want, you can select. Say suppose I need three tires. So I have selected three tires. So below it is getting changed. You can see this. It is showing 12th April, 12th April, and Monday, Tuesday, like this. So now you have to see what you want in tire one, top tire. Top tire now it is showing date. So what you want that? You want a week or you want a date? You have to click on the drop down button. Right? Click year, half year, quarter, month, whatever we want. You have to select. Say we need half year. Okay. First half, second half, like that will come. In the alignment, you can keep it as a left alignment or center alignment or right alignment. You can make. So now see what we want in the middle tire, second one. First one, it is showing the year. Now what we want in the second tire. So click on the middle tire tab here. What we want in the second tire, whether we want a week or we want a month, what we want. You can select. Say I'll select month or quarter. You can say alignment, keep it as center, left, right. Then comes bottom tire. So bottom tire is what you want. You want date. Label is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or we can select any different labels also. So different labels are available here. We can select. I think day one, day two, day three, like that. So we can select. Or dates also we can select. So here what we'll do, instead of dates, we'll select week. Quarter. Here we'll select month. Okay. We'll select month. So January, February, like that. Alignment by default will show center. Okay. Next, we can make any settings to non-working days. We can make the settings behind the taskbar, in front of the taskbar. That bar will come. No? In the whether you want behind that or in front of that, you can. Or if you don't want this, you can select do not draw. Anything color to be changed, we'll put a color change. Any pattern we can put. So anything we can do changes. Colors also we can make. Okay. See, now it is showing month. So we can see second half, third quarter, month, July, August, September. So like that it is showing quarter. So this is how we can change this settings of our Gantt chart time scale. Okay. So here we have changed working days of non-working days, but it is not appearing because completely month is there. So in the month it is not visible. So if you change that to date, third bottom tier, if you change it to days, now you can see the changes what we have made to this non-working day. So non-working day we gave the color, blue color, and we have made it appear on the top of the bar. So this is our taskbar and it is appearing on the top of the bar. So if it is confusing it, then we have to change it to made behind the bar, behind the bars. So now it is shown behind the bar. If you don't want any pattern, just we can go to again time scale, non-working day, and this solve. Now it will be solved. So this is how small settings and formatting our patterns and other things. Okay. So thank you for watching our channel. So if you have any doubt, you can write on the comment box or you can ask any questions also in the comment box. Also, you can keep watching our channel so that you can learn complete MSc. Thank you. Thank you, Anshul.